How to add Spotify song link to Instagram bio. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Spotify app. And once you open up the app, you just need to go ahead and find the song that you want to add to your Instagram bio. So I'm going to reload my page. So from here, let me just quickly head over to my library and pick out a song from here. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this random song. And then you just need to tap on the share icon that you see at the bottom. And from here, you're going to have to copy link. So just tap on copy link and you've successfully copied the link from Spotify. Now open up Instagram. Now once you go ahead and open up your Instagram, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then from here, you just have to tap on edit profile. And you have an option to add links. So click on add external links. And then from here, tap on the URL and then paste the URL that we just copied from Spotify. You can add the title, something like my favorite song or something like that. And then tap on done. And now your song will be added. So whenever, if anyone taps on this link right here, they will be redirected to the song on Spotify. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.